Hi friends, this is Yvonne from Ophelia's Place, and I'm super excited to talk to you all today about our poetry workshop that we have coming up. I'm so excited to show you all some of our favorite haikus about our favorite furry friends, but before we get started on that, just as a reminder, a haiku is a really great way to start bringing out your inner poet. Haikus are 5 syllables, followed by 7, and you end again with 5. So here we go.
Siri the love bug, rolling all over the rug, hoping for hugs.
Chester is my name. You know trouble is my game. This cat you can't tame.
Poppy Bink's my queen, my little purring machine. You fulfill my dreams.
See, that wasn't so bad. Poetry doesn't always have to be super hard. It's especially helpful too if you have cool people that you can practice with. So you should do some poetry with us, and if you wanted to, you could even send us haikus about your own little fur babies or scale babies or feather babies that you have at home. But yeah, it should be a good time. We're looking forward to seeing you there. You can check it out on our website at opheliasplace.net. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. And we'll see you soon. Bye.